In the vast universe, far beyond our Earth, every star has a story. A long and fascinating journey that lasts for millions and even billions of years. This is the life story of a star. It all begins inside a huge cloud of gas and dust called a nebula. These clouds are spread across space, silent and beautiful. At first, nothing seems to happen. But slowly, gravity begins to pull the tiny particles closer together. Over a very long period of time, these particles start to collide and stick together. The center becomes denser, hotter, and brighter. As more material gathers, a glowing core begins to form. This early stage is called a protostar. A protostar is not yet a fully formed star, but it is growing stronger. Inside it, the temperature continues to rise. The pressure increases as more gas falls inward. The surrounding material spins faster and faster, feeding energy into the core. After millions of years, the core becomes extremely hot. Finally, it reaches a critical point where nuclear fusion begins. Hydrogen atoms start to combine and form helium. This process releases a huge amount of energy. At that moment, a star is truly born. The star now enters the main sequence stage. This is the longest and most stable period in its life. During this time, the star shines brightly and steadily. It produces light and heat continuously by converting hydrogen into helium. This balance between gravity pulling inward and energy pushing outward keeps the star stable. Our own Sun is currently in this stage, providing energy that supports life on Earth. But even this stable phase cannot last forever. After billions of years, the hydrogen fuel inside the star begins to run out. The core starts to shrink as the fuel decreases. At the same time, the outer layers expand outward. The star becomes much larger than before. Its surface cools slightly, giving it a reddish color. This stage is known as the red giant phase. In this phase, the star grows to an enormous size. It shines brighter than before and releases intense heat into space. Some stars expand so much that they can even swallow nearby planets. As the star continues to lose fuel, it approaches the final stage of its life. For very massive stars, the ending is dramatic and powerful. The core suddenly collapses under its own gravity. Within a fraction of a second, a massive explosion takes place. This is called a supernova. A supernova is one of the most powerful events in the universe. It releases an incredible amount of energy and light. For a short time, it can shine brighter than an entire galaxy. During this explosion, all the elements created inside the star are thrown into space. These elements travel across the universe and become the building blocks for new stars, planets, and even life. After the explosion, what remains depends on the size of the star's core. If the remaining core is extremely heavy, it collapses into a black hole. A black hole has such strong gravity that nothing can escape from it, not even light. If the core is slightly smaller, it becomes a neutron star. A neutron star is incredibly dense. It spins rapidly and can produce powerful energy beams. Even though the star has ended its life, its story does not truly end. The materials that were spread across space slowly come together again. Over time, they form new clouds of gas and dust. From these clouds, new stars begin to form. New solar systems are created. New planets are born. In fact, the Earth and everything on it was once formed from the remains of ancient stars. This means that we are all made of stardust. The life of a star is not just a beginning and an end. It is a continuous cycle of creation, transformation, and rebirth. And even now, somewhere in the universe, a new star is being born, starting the same incredible journey once again.